In a time when the world was engulfed in the flames of war, there was a small village in the heart of India, untouched by the chaos for many years. This village, with its narrow lanes and mud brick houses, was home to simple folk who lived a peaceful life. But as the war grew fiercer, even this quiet place couldn't remain safe. The echoes of gunfire and explosions began to reach the village, bringing with them fear and uncertainty. In this village lived an old man, Baba Ramcharan, known for his wisdom and kind heart. He had seen many seasons pass and was respected by all. Baba Ramcharan lived alone in his small hut, his children having moved to the city long ago. He spent his days tending to his small garden and helping those in need, for kindness was in his nature. He had a soft spot for children, often telling them stories under the big banyan tree in the center of the village. But as the war came closer, even the children's laughter was drowned out by the sounds of conflict. One fateful day, the war finally reached the village. Soldiers, both from the enemy side and the local forces, began to pass through, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The once peaceful village was now a battlefield, with families hiding in their homes, fearing for their lives. The villagers were torn between loyalty to their nation and the desire to protect their loved ones. It was a time of great confusion, where even the most righteous found it hard to keep faith. Baba Ramcharan, though old and frail, felt a deep pain in his heart seeing the suffering of his people. He knew that in times like these, humanity had to rise above all else. Despite the danger, he decided to do what he could to help those in need. He began to visit the homes of the sick and elderly, bringing them food and medicine. Many tried to stop him, warning him that it was too dangerous to move about, but Baba Ramcharan would just smile and say, "Beta, in such times, we must hold on to our humanity. War cannot take away our duty to each other." One evening, as the sun was setting and the village was quiet, Baba Ramcharan heard a faint groan coming from the edge of the village. Curious and concerned, he followed the sound and found a young soldier lying under a tree, badly wounded. The soldier was from the enemy side, his uniform torn and stained with blood. He was barely conscious, his face pale and his body shivering with fever. Baba Ramcharan knew that this was a man who had been fighting against his own people, but to him, the soldier was just a young man in need of help. Without hesitation, Baba Ramcharan lifted the soldier and carried him to his hut. It was not an easy task for the old man, but his heart was strong, driven by the need to save a life. He laid the soldier on his cot and began to treat his wounds with the limited resources he had. He boiled water, cleaned the wounds, and covered the soldier with a blanket. The soldier, though weak, opened his eyes briefly and saw the face of the old man. In his eyes, there was confusion and fear, for he knew he was in enemy territory. Baba Ramcharan noticed the fear and gently said, "Beta, don't worry. Here, you are safe. War is outside, but in this house, there is only kindness." The soldier, too weak to respond, closed his eyes, finding some peace in the old man's words. Word soon spread through the village that Baba Ramcharan had taken in an enemy soldier. The villagers, already scared and anxious, were shocked and angry. They couldn't understand why Baba Ramcharan would risk their safety for the life of a soldier who had been sent to destroy them. A group of men gathered outside Baba Ramcharan's hut, demanding that he hand over the soldier to the local forces. They shouted, "Baba, how can you shelter the enemy? He has come to kill us, and yet you are saving him?" Baba Ramcharan came out of his hut, his face calm but determined. He looked at the men and said, "This young man is not our enemy. War has made us all enemies, but in truth, we are all human. This boy has a mother somewhere, just like our sons. If we do not help him now, we are losing our own humanity." The men were silent for a moment, but the fear in their hearts was strong. They couldn't see beyond the uniform the soldier wore, the symbol of the forces they had been taught to hate. But Baba Ramcharan's words also stirred something in them, a memory of the time before the war, when they too had believed in kindness and humanity. One of the younger men, who had lost his brother in the war, stepped forward and said, "Baba, what if the enemy finds out we are sheltering him? They will punish the whole village." Baba Ramcharan looked at him with sad eyes and replied, "Beta, if we lose our humanity, we are already punished." Over the next few days, Baba Ramcharan continued to care for the young soldier, who slowly began to regain his strength. The soldier, whose name was Arjun, was surprised by the kindness shown to him. He had been taught to see the people of this land as his enemies, yet here he was, being cared for by an old man who saw him not as an enemy, but as a human being. Arjun began to talk to Baba Ramcharan, sharing stories of his family and his life before the war. He spoke of his mother, who had cried when he left for the battlefield, and of his younger sister, who would wait by the door every evening, hoping for his return. Baba Ramcharan listened patiently, offering words of comfort and hope. He shared stories of his own, tales of the village before the war, when people lived in harmony, helping each other through good times and bad. Arjun found solace in these stories, and slowly, the fear and hatred in his heart began to melt away. He started to see the villagers not as enemies, but as people just like him, caught in the web of a war they had not chosen. As Arjun's health improved, he began to help Baba Ramcharan with his daily tasks. He would fetch water from the well, tend to the garden, and even help the old man prepare food. The villagers, who had initially been hostile, began to see the change in Arjun. They saw the way he cared for Baba Ramcharan and how the old man had softened his heart. Slowly, their anger turned into curiosity and then into acceptance. They realized that Arjun was not so different from their own sons, who had been sent to fight in a war they did not understand. As the days passed, Arjun grew stronger, and Baba Ramcharan knew that soon he would have to leave. But the bond they had formed was strong, and the thought of parting was painful for both. Arjun, who had come to see Baba Ramcharan as a father figure, expressed his gratitude, saying, "Baba, you have given me a new life. I will never forget your kindness." Baba Ramcharan smiled and replied, "Beta, remember that kindness is the true strength of a human. Carry this lesson with you, and wherever you go, spread this message of peace." Before leaving, Arjun wrote a letter to his commanding officer, explaining the kindness he had received from the villagers and urging for peace. He left the letter with Baba Ramcharan, asking him to send it when the time was right. With a heavy heart, Arjun said his goodbyes and left the village, not as an enemy, but as a friend. The war eventually moved away from the village, and life slowly returned to normal. But the story of Baba Ramcharan and the enemy soldier became a legend in the village. It was a story of how kindness had bridged the gap created by war, and how an act of humanity had brought peace to a troubled heart. Baba Ramcharan lived out his days in peace, knowing that he had done what was right. The villagers, too, learned a valuable lesson, that even in the darkest times, kindness and humanity could shine through, bringing light and hope to a world torn apart by conflict. In the end, it was not the might of armies that brought peace to the village, but the simple act of kindness from an old man who believed in the goodness of the human heart. And that message of peace and kindness lived on, long after the war had ended, reminding everyone that even in times of war, there is always room for humanity. The village never forgot Baba Ramcharan's act of kindness. It became a tale told to children, a lesson in how humanity should triumph over hatred, no matter the circumstances. And in the hearts of the villagers, the spirit of Baba Ramcharan lived on, a beacon of hope in a world that had seen too much pain.